Hi guys, I'm Raven, a mental health enthusiast, and welcome to my 7-day journaling challenge. Welcome to day 4 of the 7-day journaling challenge. Today, our goal is goals. Okay, we're focusing all on our goals, our specific goals for our future. Okay, so let's get into it. Here is the journaling prompt. So what are some things that we can do to get closer and closer to our ideal selves, living our ideal lives? What can I do to get closer to living my dream life? What can I do? I want you to write out 3 goals. You can do more goals or you can do less goals. It is completely up to you, okay? You have autonomy. This is your thing. Write out 3 goals that you want to achieve within the next year. Within the next calendar year, for the next 12 months, write out 3 goals that you want to achieve in the next 12 months. Also, you can modify this time period and make it comfortable for you. Then, I want you to name one thing that you can do today to get you one step closer to your goals, even if it's a small step. But what's one thing that you can do today, even if it's nighttime? Even if it's nighttime, what's one little thing you can do to get you closer to your goals? Come up with an action plan. And then I want you to go do that thing, okay? Because I want you closer. I want you closer to living your dream life. I want you to get to living your dream life. I want to see you flourish and I want to see you thrive. You better believe it. You better believe I do. So come up with an action plan. Write out your goals. Come up with an action plan for living your ideal life. May I suggest, I'll put it here. May I suggest that you use the SMARTER model for crafting your goals. And if you want me to do a video on the SMARTER model, just let me know. I'd love to do that for you, okay? Don't forget to like this video. Leave a comment in the comment section down below letting me know how this journaling prompt went for you today. What did it feel like? Tell me your thoughts. What are you thinking? How are we doing? How are you doing so far? It's day 4. Let me know. Okay, and don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe to my channel for more content just like this one. I love you so much. I'll see you tomorrow in day 5 of our 7-day journaling challenge. I'll see you next time. Bye.